Guys, you're welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can import without a procurement agent with some simple tools, some apps that will enable you to do all these things yourself, right? So I need to do this video really quick because I need to go and make my hair, but I say let me drop this video for you because you might need it anytime soon. All right, so if you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Rachel. You're welcome to my channel. So I've created this channel just for China importation. If you have any suggestion on the videos you want me to do, then go ahead and drop in the comment section. If you want to reach out to me, also check the description for more details. All right, so with these apps, I've been using this app for years now, and I can boldly tell you that if you study this very well, if you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to import by yourself without an agent. Without an agent, a procurement agent, of course. Yes, you will be able to do everything about importation by yourself. But if you still see the need to use an agent, you can contact me. My contact is in the description, my Instagram handle. You can check it out and send me a DM. I know some persons actually want to use procurement agent, why some don't want to use because they don't have the time. So if you're among those people, you can contact me. All right, so the first app I'll be talking about when you're going into China importation. China importation is a profitable business that even if your neighbor is telling you not to go into it, tell your neighbor that I said you should go into it and you should learn and do it very well and prove them wrong. The first app I'll be looking at, if you're going into China importation, I always advise that you use 1688 app. 1688 is a shopping website, it's a Chinese shopping website. Not like that is the only app that you can use to shop from China. It's just one of them. We have Pindodo, we have Alibaba, we have AliExpress. We have a lot of them that you can import from. But I advise you go with 1688. 1688 seems to be the cheapest. Yes, everything is written in Chinese, but I said I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very, very easy to use. Look at the interface. This is the app. Everything is in Chinese, but I'm going to show you how you can translate from Chinese to English. Most of the sellers on 1688 are wholesalers, and they also sell retail prices in as much as they are wholesalers, right? So it gives you the right to buy things in smaller quantity and also in larger quantity too. My light is shaking. Okay, so 1688 also gives you the right to chat with the supplier on the app. You have access to the supplier on the app. So if you want to chat with the supplier, you do it on the app. The reason why it's even good to chat with the suppliers on the app, it guides you. If you have any issue, it's being monitored. Unlike when you go outside of the app, not like you cannot chat with the supplier outside of the app. But I don't advise people to do that. You can chat with them on WeChat, you can chat with them on WhatsApp, those of them that are on WhatsApp. Remember, not all Chinese are on WhatsApp, just few of them. You can chat with them on WhatsApp and on WeChat. But I always advise you use the app messenger to chat with your suppliers. It helps you to be guided. Once it's set, it also gives you the room for quick refund. Right? If you place order and let's say you made a mistake, you can quickly place a refund and you get it immediately. If it requires you some days, just know that you're going to get it so long you make payment on the app. So it's very, very easy to use, and it has so many payments gateway. You can use your US card. Then you can now use Nigerian card. I will need to confirm that and make a video about it. If you want me to make a video about it, I got that news that you can now use our Nigerian cards on international shopping website, so I can also check that for you. You can use Alipay, which is one of the payment platforms, so it's a good site that you can buy from. There are a lot of cheap items there. When I say cheap, I don't mean less quality item, I don't mean inferior item, I mean quality item. Okay, so look at this item here and compare the prices with the prices that we have on most websites. Let's say on Amazon, on Jumia, on any shopping website, or even on Instagram. Check your Instagram vendors and look at the prices here. That's to show you that this website is actually cheap and you can make a lot of profit from it. Take a look at the wide range of varieties of products that you can pick from. You even discover new products from there. It's very, very important that you pay close attention to this app, and it's good. If you want a one-on-one section on how to go about China importation, then you can enroll for my classes. I have different classes that suit you. The link to the class is in the description. My WhatsApp contact is also in the description too. I'll put you through on how to understand everything about this website. this app and the website 1688. All right, quickly, let's move to the next one. If you want to go into importation without using an agent, you should also know about this app, and that is the translator. If you notice on the website I mentioned, everything is written in Chinese, and because it is written in Chinese, I'm very sure you that is watching don't understand Chinese. Even if you do, you might not understand all. So the best thing to do is for you to translate it from English to from Chinese to English, or to whichever language you're comfortable with. And what are the apps that you need to use in doing this translate? One, there's High Translate. High Translate is on iPhone and is also on Android phone. On Android phone is free, on iPhone you pay for it. High Translate is something that is very, very easy to use. So if you're using an iPhone, if you're using an Android phone, High Translate comes with your phone, but if you don't have it too, you can as well download it. So what you need to do is to click on High Translate. Once you click on High Translate, you see the turn on button and go ahead and turn it on. After that, you click on my language. So you pick the language that you're conversant with. If it's English, you just tap on it and select the language that is okay by you. Then French language, that's the language you want to translate to. So we are picking Chinese because we want to translate to Chinese. Okay, so it's going to be the other way around. Your language, the language that is there is Chinese, then the one to translate to is English. Translator, if you're using an iPhone, you can use it, you can use the free version and then later subscribe to the pro version. Okay, so the next thing that you need to use to translate, if you can't work with High Translate, is to use Google Translate, right? So if you go to App Store or Play Store, Android or iPhone, you can download Google Translate, and that one is very, very easy to use as well. So I'm going to place the tutorial for you to see right after this video how to use Google Translate. The first thing is for you to download it, and you go ahead and set it up like this. Just do it this way, and it's very, very easy to use as well. All right, so now we're done with the translator. And with this translator too, you can as well chat with your suppliers, making it very, very easy for you to use. So the next thing that you need to look at if you want to import by yourself without an agent is how to pay. Paying is something that is very, very easy to do. The app that we use in paying Chinese supplier is Alipay. But as I mentioned on 1688, that there are so many gateways. You can use your Nigerian card, you can use your US card, US dollar card. You can also use Alipay. There's a downside to all this, right? All right, the second option is using your US dollar card. Now the charges there is higher. Talking about Naira card and those other card and the US card, the charges there is a bit higher when you're converting from Naira to UN. And another thing, when it's time for you to get a refund, it takes a lot of time to get a refund. Unlike Alipay, that you get the refund very, very fast. So these are the things that you need to consider. The third thing that you need, the third payment gateway that you can use is Alipay. Alipay is a Chinese payment platform and it's very easy to use. All you need to do is to download the app, go ahead and register. Make sure when you're using Alipay, you use your correct name. This is not the time to hide details, right? Because you will be fished out. When it comes to Alipay, they are very, very sensitive. Like whatever mistake you make could actually lead to them freezing your account, not minding if there's money in it or not. So you have to use the correct name, use your correct name, your original name, your original details, your country code and the rest to register with your phone number. It's very, very easy to use. Then another way you can fund your Alipay is using exchangers. Yes, you use exchangers. Z Plus Importation we exchange. So if you want to exchange, you can reach out to us and we help you exchange your UN to Naira, UN to whatever currency that you want. Then there is also something that you need to know about You need to know about Alipay. You don't just exchange from anywhere. I ring this in my class over and over again. Don't just jump on every cheap RMB and exchange. It will haunt you. First of all, if your account receives money from a fraudster which you won't know, or someone that has scammed someone before which you won't know, your account will be frozen. So one of my students last week just got his account frozen because he has been buying RMB from different vendors. If you go on Instagram now and search, you see a lot of them. Not everyone is legit. Oh, I always ring this. Once you get a legit exchanger, stick with that person. Stick with that person, because if you keep jumping from one relationship of exchanger to another, your money is going to get frozen. Your account is going to get frozen because they are sensitive to these things. That's why I say you should use your correct details. If you want to exchange your UN to Naira, you can contact me, right? My WhatsApp contact is in the description. My Instagram handle is in the description. You can contact me and I'll help you exchange. There's what is called dirty money and clean money in RMB business. And if you fall to the dirty money side, you're going to get scam. It's in this case that you hear that China importation is difficult or people get scam because of China importation. It's because of things like this. There are a lot of scammers out there. I made a update on my other account where I mentioned that Yahoo boys are now making use of China importation to cash out. Why? Because there are a lot of you looking out for cheap exchangers, and when you get them, you send them your Naira and they block you. And that's the end of it. You Before you even trace anybody in this our country, it's very very difficult. So you should be careful and make sure you stick to the right person, right? R&B rates are fair when it comes to Z plus importation, and we make sure we deliver. We've been in this business for a while and we've never scammed anyone. Yes, I always say it with my full chest. We've never scammed anyone, we've never disappointed anyone. We always deliver. So make sure you are with the right person. Right. If you've watched up to this level and you've not subscribed, then you're not helping now. Please, subscription is free. Just go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. After you finish paying for your goods, what you need to do next is to ship to a Chinese warehouse. That is if you're buying from different suppliers. Yes, there's something that is called consolidation. The shipping company helps you to consolidate your goods, bring all of them together. Let's take, for instance, you're buying from so many suppliers. You're buying from, let's say, 10 suppliers. They wouldn't ship them one after the other, right? You would like all your order to come together. So you send them to the warehouse, China warehouse, which will be provided by a shipping company. As Z Plus Importation, we provide China warehouse to you where you send in your orders. So what you need to do is to just request for the address and I send it to you, and you send in your order until they are complete. Once it's complete, you let us know that it's complete, then we ship all together. So even if you're buying from 50 suppliers, everything can come at once. So it's not like other shipping company where if you're sending, like AliExpress, if you buy one they send one. If you're buying from 10 suppliers, you receive your item from 10 different suppliers differently on a different day. This one, it comes together and is being calculated together as one. It also helps not for you, it helps you not to misplace your item. It helps your item to come complete. So once it's complete, the next thing is shipping, right? Shipping from China to Nigeria. There are a lot of shipping companies out there. There are some that are very very expensive, but as Z Plus Importation, we actually ship very cheap. Our shipping rate for sea shipping is around $2 to $2.5 per kg. Yes, I know shipping, sea shipping is always in CBM, but there's a way we calculate it and it comes out this cheap. But for air shipping, you pay from $7 to $8, from $7 to $9 per kg. The reason why I say that, it varies, right? So sometimes for that week, the shipping rate might be $7, sometimes might be 8, sometimes might be 9. During festive period, it's always high because there is always should I say pressure. There is always high rate of shipment. So that period, the shipping rate is always high. You get at as high as 10, $11 per kg. But on a normal rate, is around $7 to $9 per kg. So you ship and it gets to you. Once it gets to Lagos, everything that comes into Nigeria gets to Lagos. So no matter your location, it will be delivered to you. No matter where you are, no matter the state you are, it will be delivered to you. If you're in Ghana, it can be shipped to Ghana directly. It can be shipped to Kenya. There's a warehouse in Kenya. There's a warehouse in Ghana. There's a warehouse in Nigeria here. So once it gets here, it can be shipped to you anywhere. So Z Plus Importation helps you cover all your shipments. If you want to try other shipping company, I will recommend Sky Cargo. Yeah, I've been hearing people talk about Sky Cargo. But one thing that makes me not to use most of the shipping company that they are using is this. There are some shipping companies that don't come with insurance. Yes. What do I mean by insurance? Let's say your item got missing, they will not refund you. Let's say your item got damaged, they will not refund you. I know of a friend that shipped with, was it Sky Cargo the last time, and she bought things and most of her items were fragile and they were damaged, and she didn't even get paid for anything. What she got was just sorry. So I don't ship like that, right? I always make sure that if anything happens, we are held accountable. So that is it. So you should go for a shipping company that is like that too, and it will ship your order down to your country. Yes, if you've watched up to here and you've not liked this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It makes more people see it, and also increase the chances of people knowing what you know. Don't gatekeep because I didn't gatekeep. These are the few things that you need to know. These are the few apps that you need to know that can help you import even without an agent. If you need any particular video, just let me know in the comment section. Remember, I created this channel to talk about China importation. So if there's anything that you want me to talk about on China importation, let me know in the comment section. If you want to enroll for my courses, I have varieties of courses that you can enroll in. You can send me a DM at Z Plus Importation on Instagram, or send me a WhatsApp message. Any which way is better. All right, so I'll have to stop here until I come your way again. Hi, I'm Rachel Bryan of Z Plus Importation. See you in my next video.